Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am either using one of my old recipes or I'm trying a new one. So feel free to sit back and enjoy this video. Love y'all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making delicious stewed turkey wings, y'all. Yes, and I'm going to show y'all just how I prepare mine. Come on y'all, let's get started. Here we're boiling up our turkey wings. It all depends on how much you're using. As you can see, I'm making a huge pot of this stewed turkey wings. So if you want to use less, you can. But first of all, what I do, first I start out boiling my turkey wings, and then I add my vegetables. Here I'm adding my sliced bell peppers and onions. And if you want to add jalapeno peppers, you can. I usually do, but since we're feeding the family, I'm not going to add the sliced jalapenos. I'm looking out for the smaller kiddos. Okay, since we have added all our vegetables in, now we're going to season up our turkey wings. First, we're adding in some salt. I was out of my seasoned salt, so I'm just adding regular salt. Now I'm adding some garlic powder. I'm adding quite a bit. Like I said, this is a huge pot of turkey wings. Here we're adding in some onion powder. And now some black pepper. Now we're mixing in our seasonings with our turkey wings. Here I'm showing you the turkey wings that I'm using. They only has the 2-piece, not the drumlet. Here I'm making sure our turkey wings will be cooking evenly, so I'm pressing them down into the water so that, they will cook evenly. And so I'm going to turn down my heat, cover them, and then we're going to let them continue to boil. Time to time, go back and check on them to make sure they are cooking evenly. As y'all can see, I am cooking them on a rapid simmer, but not too fast. I'll just keep cooking them until they become tender. Okay, I'm checking them again. They have been cooking over maybe an hour and 20 minutes, and I can tell they are getting there. And so getting to the tenderness that I'm wanting them to be. So like I say, continue to check on them and making sure that they are down off in the broth and they are cooking evenly. Okay, I have checked our turkey wings and they are almost done, so they're not tender. But now I'm adding in our diced tomatoes. And instead of the regular diced tomatoes, you can use Rotel tomatoes if you prefer. I'm showing you my way. Like I always say, make this recipe yours. Since this is a large pot of turkey wings, I'm adding 3 cans of diced tomatoes. Now we're mixing in our diced tomatoes into our turkey wings. Now it's time to add in the potatoes. I'm using the sliced canned ones. It all depends on what you want to use. If you want to use the fresh ones, you can. Just slice them up or dice them wherever shape you want and just add them to your pot. The reason why I love the canned potatoes is because they never lose their texture. You know, when you add the fresh one, they do. And so, like I say, it's all up to you on what type of potatoes you want to use. Here I'm adding in some more black pepper because I love that black pepper taste to my dish, and so that's what I'm using. So you don't have to do this, but this is the way I want it. What I love about these stewed turkey wings, you can add anything you want to add to it. You can add more vegetables. If you want to add mixed vegetables, you can. If you want to just add just potatoes, you can. You can just make this recipe yours. I'm going to also add some carrots into mine. I'm not a big fan for carrots, but I love carrots in these stewed turkey wings. I love them. And so if you want to use them, you can. Like I say, you can pick and choose your vegetables that you add to them. And you can always make this out of a soup. And I call them stewed turkey wings, but this is more like a soup to me. But this is what I call them. This is my own recipe, and I just call them stewed turkey wings. Thanksgiving was just like a couple of days ago, and it is very cool here. And so I decided to cook my family this big pot of stewed turkey wings, and they really enjoyed it. And I'm going to let these simmer a little bit more for maybe about 15 or 20 minutes. And then we're going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, we are back. We are serving our stewed turkey wings along with some cornbread, y'all, and it was so delicious. I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me as much as I always enjoy cooking with you all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all, stay safe, and be blessed. My thought for today, when life throws you lemons, make lemonade and make the best of your day. Okay, y'all, bye-bye. God bless you.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
That's a hit!